Hi everyone, Tesla Toybox here, and I'm truly excited to be able to bring you this type of video with a huge thank you to Daily Labs for reaching out and giving me the opportunity to review one of their products. I really tried putting this thing through the ringer and came up with what I think is an extremely scientific resiliency test done my way. Now, putting this air freshener to the test won't be a problem at all. If anything, this poor thing is at a massive disadvantage considering I've been a hockey player practically my entire life. So really testing this thing out will be pretty easy. For those of you that might not be aware, hockey gear, and in particular the gloves, can have a ridiculous smell and can feel like a Mike Tyson punch to the face. Alright, on to the unboxing. Let's open this thing up and see what's inside the box. What's in the box? Okay, so we received the Starglow air diffuser for the Model 3 and Y in space gray and pearl white, along with some refill cartridges with their 4 available scents, which are citrus tea, amber and pink pepper, white peach oolong, and Shenzhen 1979. Let's open up one of these boxes and see what the Starglow air diffuser container looks like. So for first impressions of the box, it's a good one. I really like this holographic look to it. It's got all the product details at the bottom. Let's open this thing up. Okay, wow. This thing is pretty cool looking. Let's pull this out here. It's definitely very light. Let's take a closer look. You can certainly tell that it's a very well constructed premium product. We'll have this engraving at the bottom, Aroma for Tesla Daily Labs. Very cool. Definitely the nicest air freshener I've ever had. It's very nice. Now we get that satisfying feeling of peeling off the new plastic from the front. And most importantly the back, since it's where the air ventilation goes through. The opening and closing of it is magnetic, so you just have to apply some pressure at the bottom and remove the lid. It's super easy. Onto the fragrance box, which are the refill cartridges that you order online. What's really nice about these is that if you look at the back of the box, you'll see a manufacture date, so that way you know it hasn't been sitting around forever. Let's open the box and see what the capsules look like. Again, very nice presentation on the box. Let's slide this thing out here. And of course that doesn't smell like anything. Let's pull this cover off and grab the 2 tablets, which last up to 60 days each. Every refill packet comes with 2 in the box, so it should last you 120 days. Let's open up one of these tablets and check out the smell. Let's start peeling this thing off. They are definitely sealed very tightly. And okay, I already like the smell of this one. It's really nice. The capsule looks like a slim bar of soap. Let's stick it into the container. Remember, press at the bottom, take out the lid, place the capsule in, and let the magnets do the rest. If I can figure out how to get this label on properly. And bam! Good to go. Hold on. Yeah, I like this one. This is the amber and pink pepper one, in case you were curious. The installation is super easy. You just start at the center of the car, place it on the air conditioning track, slide it down, and as you move along, you'll notice it getting tighter and tighter. It gets to a point where it's super snug. It's not going anywhere. Here's another quick install, but with the pearl white version that is absolutely staying in my car from now on. On to checking out the grip strength with my version of a test. I figured, what better way to check than by launching the car over and over and over again. After all, I have to give this thing 2 thumbs up because I was really trying to launch it into the back seat. I've had the diffuser installed for over a month now, and I use the air conditioning practically every day, and it's still going strong, so I can confirm long-lasting smell. As I leave you with some footage of driving around with it installed, I just wanted to thank you all for being here with me. Also wanted to thank Daily Labs for the opportunity to review the product, and the fact that I get to share a discount code with all of you for 15% off at checkout. If you have any questions at all, just leave them in the comments down below. Again, thank you all very much for your time. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.